For many people, skipping a tax return might seem harmless. Maybe life got in the way, or maybe there was a belief that it would just go unnoticed. But the IRS has a way of ensuring non-filers don't slip through the cracks. Enter the Substitute for Return SFR notice, a formal document that essentially says, since you didn't file your taxes, we did it for you. Sounds convenient, right? Well, not exactly. This isn't the IRS doing you a favor. When they create an SFR, they base it only on income data they've received from employers, banks, and other sources. That means your deductions, exemptions, and credits, the things that could significantly lower your tax, are missing from the equation. The result? A tax return that might show you owe more than you really should. Why does the IRS issue these notices? The IRS issues SFRs to get non-filers back into the tax system, and more importantly, start collecting unpaid taxes. If you don't respond to an SFR notice, the IRS assumes their version of the return is final and moves forward with enforcement actions. These could include penalties and interest, wage garnishments, and bank levies or liens. Ignoring the notice means losing control over how much you actually owe. The IRS doesn't consider whether you had deductions, business expenses, dependents, or tax credits that could reduce your burden. Their primary goal is collecting revenue, not helping you maximize your refund. So what should you do if you receive an SFR notice? First and foremost, don't panic, but don't ignore it either. If you've received a substitute for return notice, you have 90 days to file your own return before the IRS finalizes theirs. Submitting your actual tax return, even if late, can significantly reduce what you owe by including all the deductions and credits you qualify for. In many cases, filing the correct return can even eliminate the IRS's estimated tax balance altogether. If you're unsure on how to proceed, it might be worth reaching out to a tax professional who can help correct the IRS's version of your return. They can make sure you're not overpaying, stop collection efforts before they escalate, and help you avoid potential penalties. At the end of the day, the IRS doesn't forget about missed tax filings, and assuming they'll overlook it is rarely a winning strategy. If you've received an SFR notice, acting quickly can save you from unnecessary financial stress. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.